Hello everyone. Welcome to today's episode of the Learning Podcast. I am your host Naman Shah, and if you have not done yet, so hit that follow button so you never miss another episode of the Learning Podcast. Today we are going to be talking about how to overcome negativity. Remember, every person is more good than bad. When you become self-critical, remember this that you too are more good than bad. Focus on your positive qualities and also focus on the negative qualities and try to swap them to positive. Gaur Gopal Das once said that comparing, complaining, and criticizing are three cancers of our mind. If you let them come in your mind, they will destroy you and will make you negative. Stay away from these cancers. Do not give your attention to what others do or fail. Give it to what you do or fail to do. From my perspective, negativity is a choice. If you choose to stay negative, you can't be positive. And if you choose to stay positive, you never can be negative. Negativity is an attention snatching thing which demands your attention. And if you give it attention to it, then it gets bigger and bigger. Now, what to stop the growth of negative thoughts? First, change the attention. Stop giving attention to the negative thoughts and start giving attention to the positive thoughts. As I told you, where your attention goes, that type of thoughts gets bigger and it gets converted to thinking. So, what do you want, negative thinking or positive thinking? Choice is yours. Second, learn to swap thoughts. Thoughts are not in our control, but which thought you want to convert into thinking is your choice. Positive and negative thoughts will come to your mind. You can't stop them, but whenever a negative thought comes to your mind, don't entertain it. Whenever a negative thought comes to your mind, use this spot, stop, swap method from Think Like a Monk. We first be aware of a feeling or issue we spot. Then we pause to address what the feeling is and where it comes from. We stop to consider it. And last, we amend our behavior. We swap in a new way of processing the moment. This is spot, stop and swap. Say this and train your mind by saying that you are more focused to positive thoughts. Now, what to do when a positive thought comes to your mind? Convert it into a thinking, right? But how to convert it into a thinking? When the positive thought comes, entertain it by giving it attention. If the thought is, I am best, say yes, I am the best. If I believe, I achieve. If I believe, I achieve. Say this 3-4 times and it will convert it into a thinking. And think about that positive thought consistently. So you can give it proper attention and you can grow it well into thinking. Third, after we are positive but our surrounding is negative, then what to do? As you said, that surrounding gets impacted on ourselves. The answer is so simple. The answer is stay positive. Because if you're completely positive, then your aura also becomes positive. And don't give attention to that negative thoughts or the negative surrounding which is giving you. After the aura becomes positive, slowly your surrounding will also become positive. The people in the surrounding, the things in the surrounding will feel the positive energy from you and they will also change. You know that old saying that one bad mango in a basket converts all mangoes bad. This old saying is totally opposite here. One positive or good human makes or converts all negative humans positive. Sometimes, instead of reacting negatively to what is, we negatively anticipate what might be. This is suspicion. There is a parable about an evil king who went to meet a good king. When invited to stay for dinner, the evil king asked for his plate to be switched with the good king's plate. When the good king asked why, the evil king replied, "You may have poisoned this food." The Good King laughed. That made the evil king more nervous and he switched the plates again, thinking maybe he was being double buffled. The good thing the good king just shook his head and took a bite of his food in front of him. The evil king didn't eat that night. The evil king projects his own dishonor onto the good king. In the same way, our envy and impatience or suspicious with something else tells us something about ourselves. Negative projections and suspicious reflect our own insecurities and gets in our way. If you decide your boss is against you, it can't affect you emotionally. It can affect you emotionally. You might be so discouraged that you don't perform well at work, or practically, you won't ask for the raise you deserve. Either way, like the evil king, you are the one who will go hungry. So stay positive and avoid negative. So that's all for today. So let's end today's episode of the Learning Podcast with a positive statement. When someone hurts you, it's because they are hurt. Their hurt is simply spilling over. They need help, and as Dalai Lama says, if you can help others, help them. If you cannot do that, at least do not hurt them. So I'll see you in the next episode. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe my YouTube channel, links are in description. Stay learning with the Learning Podcast and stay smiling with Naman Shah.